Hello, today we're going to be partitioning decimals. You've already done this in class, and this is a revision of what you have learnt. Here we have the number 1.562. What are the different parts of this number? Think about the value of each digit in the place value chart. Here we can see we have 1 in the units, we have a 5 in the tenths, a 6 in the hundredths, and a 2 in the thousandths. Today we're going to look at how we write these numbers individually that make up the whole decimal number. When 1.562 is partitioned, we need to look at all of the digits separately and work out their value. We must remember the place holding zeros. These go in the columns that don't have a digit in it. In the units we have a 1, and that is worth 1. In the tenths column we have 5, that is worth 5 tenths, and it looks like 0.5 as a decimal. The 0 is a placeholder, and when the number is put together, the placeholders disappear. We have a 6 in the hundredths column. As a decimal, this is 0.06. The zeros are holding the place value columns of the tenths and the units. In the thousandths, we have a 2. And in hundredths, tenths and units, we have the zeros. So 2 thousandths is 0.002. All of these numbers make up 1.562. If we added all of these numbers together, 1 add 0.5, add 0.06, add 0.002, we would make the number 1.562. Here it is as a number sentence. We can see we have 1.562 equals 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.06 plus 0.002. This number is 1 add 5 tenths, add 6 hundredths, add 2 thousandths. Written in words, this looks like this: 1 unit, 5 tenths, 6 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. As a part-whole model, the number is 1, 0.5, 0.06, and 0.002. Draw a place value chart onto your paper. Pause the video here so that you can draw your place value chart. It should look a bit like this. Once you've drawn your place value chart, write the number 17.83 on it using the correct columns. That number should look like this: 17.83. As a number sentence, what would the missing numbers in this number sentence be to create the number 17.83? I know my first digit is a 1 and it's in the tens column, so I know I need 1 lot of 10. My second digit is a 7 and it's in the units column, the ones column, so I know I need 7 units or 7 ones. The tenths column is 0.8. This one has been done for me. I have an 8 in the tenths column. The 0 is the placeholder. It holds the place of the units column. Finally, I have a digit. I have a 3 in the hundredths column, and I know I need to have a placeholding 0 for the units column, for the tenths column, and then I have a 3 in my hundredths column. and I mustn't forget my decimal point. So I know that this number is 0.03. That's my number 7 sentence for 17.83. Written in words, 17.83 looks like this. 1/10, 7 units, 8/10, and 3/100. As a part-whole model, I have 10, 7 units, 8/10, and 3/100. Now have a go at partitioning the number 56.215. Start by writing your number into your place value chart and look at the value of each of the digits. Then try writing the number 56.215 as a number sentence. What are the different parts of this number? Then try writing 56.215 as a part-whole model. When you've finished, can you write this number in words? When you finish doing that, go to the last slide and pause the video here to answer these questions. You should be trying to fill in the missing digits from the numbers given in the place value number sentences. Pause the video at any point or go back to help you to understand how to do these questions.